Alright guys, today we have 4 units of the 500 series, 2 Pro models and 2 standard 500s. Let's take a look. The outer casing continues the white color from the previous generation, and there's a 500 number on it. Okay, let's check out the standard versions. The silver one is called Moonlight Silver, and the blue one is called Aquamarine. The black color, the Pro version, is called Obsidian Black. There's also a silver one, also called Moonlight Silver. Alright, let's go through them one by one. Let's guess the standard version first. Okay, what color is this again? Aquamarine. Ta-da, ta-da. Wow. This is what the camera looks like now. It uses the integrated cold carving process. This shot. How do you feel about the color and appearance? Its lens edge is a bit darker blue, and its back cover is a light blue, which gives us a hint of silver. There. Wow, this is what silver looks like. Then this should be some kind of sensor. Next, that should be the flash, and then this should be the main camera and the ultra wide angle lens. Okay, let's guess what the Pro version will look like. It should be pretty much revealed online already, so I think everyone knows what it looks like by now. Wow, black. It's black, and it has 3 cameras. On the top, that should also be a sensor here. And then this part, I'm not sure if it's a periscope telephoto lens or something else. Wow, black is so classic. Wow, silver. Oh, so if it's black, the lens and the body are all pure black together. And if it's the other color, it's also silver. Hey, let's put on the phone case and see. This is what it looks like with the case on. Hey, the standard version and the Pro version should be the same size. So if I put this phone case on the standard version, it should fit too, right? Let's try it. Okay, it fits. So that means the cases should all be exactly the same, right? The size and dimensions are identical. The only difference is the camera. There's an extra telephoto lens, I think. Now I can grab the previous generation, the 400, and compare the modules and colors. Here it is. This is the previous generation, the 400 version. And this is the current generation, the 500. The camera design language has changed. Also, the Honor logo has switched from being horizontal to vertical. Oh, the standard version now also has an AI button, just like the Pro version. It's the same as the Major 8 series we just released. There's an extra AI button. Let's power it on. Now let's take a look at our blue color comparison. As for the blue, the previous generation used that flowing brocade texture, but now it's matte now and there's no more fluid pattern. The previous generation's blue looked like this. Okay, we've powered it on, and you can see that the frame, compared to the last generation, should be improved. It's much better. The difference is obvious to the naked eye. The bezels are a lot thinner, right? The improvement in the bezels is actually quite significant. Okay, that's basically it, alright? Bye guys, bye. Now the camera module is positioned toward the top, so when you hold it like this, it won't touch the camera or anything. See, if you hold it like this, it's actually pretty nice.